I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from TIM to Orange, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Check eligibility. Make sure your current TIM account is eligible for porting. You should not have any outstanding payments or contractual obligations. Step 2. Gather required information. Collect all necessary information, including your TIM account number, personal identification, and any relevant PIN codes. This will help speed up the process. Step 3. Visit Orange store or website. Go to your nearest Orange store or visit their official website to initiate the porting process. You may need to fill out a porting request form. Step 4. Submit your request. Submit your porting request along with gathered information. Make sure to double-check everything to avoid delays. For example, if you miss the account number, it could set back your porting by several days. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation from Orange. This usually takes a few hours to a couple of days. Once confirmed, your number will be active on the Orange network. Switching your number can be a breeze if you follow these steps. Good luck with your new Orange service.